Right?
I've got Tuesday off, I just didn't recognize.
What did I say?
That was like the crazy. I just wanted my community to do that, right? Yeah, I always will be looking at quotes and it was like an hour and a half to ride. And then
Okay, and yeah. Okay. You write your name on the back and Saturday morning. Okay, you're welcome. Good luck. Put it on the window. Put it on your light table if you need it. Okay, and yeah, you can take that home and you can take that pencil crayon with you. Your leaders.
and then you just leave the music and never know when your partner comes.
Oh, that's nice. I thought, oh,
Yeah, I'll just show you when you come out.
nice.
Regions are all very different. Yeah. So you see a lot. I thought it would be easy, but it's not as easy as
my goodness.
I feel stressed because I don't want to get it wrong. Well, is it going to be performed? At Christmas time? Yeah, in November we perform. But I mean, it's church. Yeah. So who cares, right? So still, there's lots of practice for now. Right? True, yeah. Except that, I'm new, so the first day he gave me the name. But I was covering for a lady that was on vacation.
I don't know who it is. Okay. Yeah, you too. Enjoy your week. Enjoy the weekend.